All right, this is Bubba Shack Food Review. Bubba's holding up a sign here today. What does that say, Bubba? Missing anyone? Go ahead.
I miss Bulldog.
Is that what
I
you...
ain't seen him ran in about 4 or 5 days or more.
So we're looking for a Bulldog. He's done come up missing on us. And we can't find him.
Yeah, Bulldog said that. I don't know. He got his ass kicked. I was kind of worried about him. I was scared he might get his nose bleed or something.
Oh, man, Bubba. Well, if anybody knows Bulldog, tell him come on back. He ain't got to stay away, does he?
No, he ain't got to go nowhere.
All right, Bubba.
Go back and get another ass kicked.
All right. Bubba, let's go here. We're doing a food review on PAQUI. All right, throw that down. Throw that down. All right, here. We're doing a food review on PAQUI. Turn it around here, Bubba. Turn around to the camera. Turn it around to the camera. God, turn it around. Bubba, the other way, Bubba. Bubba, the other way. Bubba, turn it around to the camera. God damn. All right. We're doing a food review. Not on the back of the bag.
I'm going to fall down the damn floor.
All right. Go on, try one of them chips, Bubba. We're trying to do a food review here. Oh, man. Get down in that bag and get you one hung up in your head. Great God, Bubba. Great God. What in the world are you doing? Oh, man. Lord have mercy. Are they good? Are they nasty or what?
They taste pretty good.
Do you recommend people go and buy that and eat them chips?
Well, if you want something hot.
Oh, they hot?
They taste pretty good.
You recommend them with a cold beer?
Oh, gotta have a cold beer with them.
You ain't got a cold beer, do you?
I got a little bit of one right there in the 7-Eleven drink cup.
Well, tell everybody what kind of chips they are.
They are pesky haunted ghost chips.
What's the name of them?
PAQUI haunted ghost.
I don't think that says PAQUI.
PAQUI?
And where do you get them from? Where can you buy them at?
I don't know. I think they come from the 7-Eleven.
And you recommend people eating them with a cold beer?
Yeah, drink them with a cold beer. You need something cold to swallow it down. Make sure the beer's cold now. Don't swallow that thing now hot.
You know this is a food review, right?
Yeah, I got you. And this is a real good food review. And a good cold beer.
It makes you happy, don't it?
Yeah, it makes me happy as
All right. All right, Bubba. Tell everybody, and then tell Bulldog to come on back. He ain't got to stay away. Tell him come on back.
Bulldog, you come on back here.
All right, Bubba.
And don't you be scared of James.
No, man. Tell him come on back.
I've had a good ass whipping and come right back again and come right back with more.
All right.
You ain't gotta worry about the ass whipping. You'll get one more.
Tell him we want him to come on back. He ain't got to stay away, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Bulldog, please don't stay away. Well, you've already seen that. But, yeah.
All right. Tell the world goodbye.
And Bubba Shack, limousine riding, jet plane flying, starring and profiling, the big bad booty pump. Woo! And in nature, boy, come on now. Boom, 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 man, chicken dollar king.
All right, Bubba, tell me what Popeye says.
Popeye said,